Hello and welcome. Today we will show you how to unpack and get started with Havells' incredible new Momenta series of mixer grinders. With numerous innovative features packed in, follow these easy steps to learn how to make the best use of your Momenta mixer grinder. First step is getting the box open, for which you would need a stable base to place the box and a pair of scissors or even a letter cutter to cut right through the taping on the box. Once the tape is cut, you don't have to wait any longer. Just open the box and have a look inside. The first thing you will find inside the box is the user manual. It's a complete list of the basic instructions and precautions you need to bear in mind while using the Momenta mixer grinder. Make sure you read it carefully. And below it, you will find your new Momenta mixer grinder encased in proper protective packaging. So take your time removing the packaging and check out your brand new purchase. The first thing you will notice about the Momenta mixer grinder is its new smooth bell-shaped body, which makes it incredibly space efficient and easy to store. Even the jars you receive as accessories with the Momenta mixer grinder are made out of great stainless steel. The jars you receive will include a 1.5-liter blending jar, 0.4-liter chutney jar, and a 1-liter dry-wet grinding jar. The Momenta mixer grinder also boasts of a special ABS body which makes it durable. Flow breakers in the jar further improve operating performance, helping the Momenta grind faster and better. All the blades used in the Momenta mixer grinder are also fabricated out of high-quality SS304 stainless steel to ensure you rust-free and reliable operations. Operating the Momenta's robust motor is a breeze with its 3-speed control knob that also has a pulse function to make it super easy and efficient. Included also is a 400ml chutney jar, which is perfect for those times when you feel like combining your food with your favorite homemade chutneys and dips. Make sure your hands are on the jar lid while your chutney is being prepared. Also included is a 1-liter grinding jar with both wet and dry grinding facilities, which is perfect for hands-free operation, designed to grind your ingredients to a paste or powder with minimum fuss. There is also a 1.5-liter blending jar, ideal for hands-free operation and lets you whip up milkshakes and drinks in a jiffy. Now, another outstanding safety feature on the Momenta mixer grinder are the lockable grinding and liquidizing jars, lessening your risk and hassle of use. The Momenta mixer grinder also has a convenient cord winding facility at the bottom of the motor, making storage an easier task. A hardy 750-watt motor powers the Momenta mixer grinder, providing it with adequate mixing and grinding force, and comes equipped with a standard 6-ampere 3-pin plug top. Now, the Momenta mixer grinder also has an overload protector to keep it within safe operating limits and ensuring that handling it is absolutely safe and easy. Apart from Havells' foolproof technology, the Momenta mixer grinder also comes with a 5-year warranty on the motor and a 2-year warranty on the mixer as well. The Momenta mixer grinder is one of the best in its class. Breathtaking features are one reason why. Buy one and feel the difference today.